So I've gotten so many complaints from people that their accounts, they notice that their account has been randomly liking some pages that they don't know about, or some accounts that they don't know about, and they've been following that account. And then even when they unfollow or unlike the pages, that they end up liking, they end up seeing more pages that they don't know about being liked. So in this case, there are two things that might happen, or there are two reasons why this might happen. So I will explain that in this video, and by the end of this video your problem should be solved. So go ahead and leave a like for this video if you find it useful. Okay, so for those that usually log in with their computer, you might know this video is not for you. Use the link in the description or in the comments to solve your problem. So you go to your Chrome browser and just follow these steps. Okay, you go to privacy and security, clear browsing data, and then you select everything, select all time. Just follow these steps. It's quite simple. These steps is just in case you've logged into your account on the browser before. Okay, you need to follow this step. But if you just strictly use application, if you strictly use Facebook application, then you might not need this step. But anyways, it does not hurt to follow this step, so you can just follow the steps as you see on the screen. Okay, so after clearing the browser cache and all, you go back to your Facebook application, and then once it's open, go to the menu, go to settings. Okay, and then you click on password and security. So at this point, what you do is you see where you are logged in. So what you want to do is log out all sections. So everywhere you might have logged in your accounts before, maybe in your workplace, in your friend's laptop, in your friend's phone, or someone might have hacked your accounts but you might not have known. Someone might have access to your password, and then the person might be liking pages and doing so many things with your account. You can log the person out, and this is the step you should follow. So just follow the exact steps you can see. Even though you've done this before, still redo it. Don't skip any step in this video. It's very important. One step precedes the other, so if you skip a step you might not get it. So you put in now we are trying to reset our password just in case someone hacked our account and has gotten our password. So we are trying to create a new password so that the person will be logged out automatically from our Facebook account or from your Facebook account. So you set a new password and click on update password. So this will update your new password. So the next thing you should do is you go to two-factor authentication and enable it. It's really important, because if someone has hacked your account, two-factor authentication will give you an extra step of security so that the person won't have access to your account. So you can select phone number, SMS, or you can use authentication application, anyone you want to use. But I think phone number is quite easier and more accessible. Okay, so you can select a phone number, and then you add the phone number then the phone number must have been added. So you will see that your two-factor authentication is on. Please go to recovery codes and write down your recovery codes and keep it safely. It's really important to write down your recovery code, because you might lose your authentication app, you might lose your access to your number, but this recovery code is very useful. I know why I'm saying this, so write it down and keep it somewhere very safe. So now you have done the following steps. We go back, okay, and we are going to do one more step. Okay, so if you go back to like pages, you can now go ahead and unlike or dislike, should I say, unlike the ones that unlike the pages that have been liked by whoever liked it. Just unlike the pages, and then you see that the problem is solved. You might not notice it almost immediately. It might take a while, maybe 2 hours, before you notice that it's no longer happening. So thank you, but this is going to work for you. Make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe. If you found this video useful, leave a like and then drop a comment if it does not work for you.